TC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
It was nice to finally get a dry day and allow some things to begin to dry out across Acadiana after the wet and gloomy weather we had to end out 2018. But it does look like showers, even the possibility for some heavy rain, will be working back into the forecast. But the good news is, just looking at light showers tomorrow, it won't be until Thursday that we see more of the heavier rains starting to make the way they're back into the region. So taking a look at a water vapor, we're kind of looking at the big picture and what's setting all this up. We have an area of high pressure off to the south and southeast down towards Miami, and then we have another area of low pressure that's digging down into the southwest. In between these two systems, we have that very tropical, subtropical jet that's been very active, bringing all that moisture in and across the region, and that's going to continue to be in place the next couple days. And so that's what's going to pull all that moisture up our way. As you can see, the moisture down there over in the eastern Pacific is going to get wrapped around with this low and then brought up into our area, which could make for a very wet Thursday pushing in across Acadiana. Locally, though, we had the dry weather today. Lots of clouds around, although we did have a few peaks of sunshine earlier around 9-10 o'clock this morning before the clouds began to make their way back and across the area. Clouds will be with us through the rest of this evening, along with areas of patchy fog starting to make their way in. Temperatures were pretty comfortable today. We started off in the mid-50s, which is about 10 to 12 degrees above where we should be for overnight lows. And then even with the cloud cover, temperatures still made their way up to around 67 degrees here in Lafayette. You can see we've had a northerly flow. That's also helped with the drying trend throughout much of our Tuesday, with winds anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour. We're still seeing a little bit of a northerly breeze up around 8 miles at the airport right now. A little higher offshore, so some choppier conditions as you head farther out into the waters, but nothing too bad as you get for those offshore drillers. Here we go through the rest of tonight. Clouds will remain locked in, and then as we head towards daybreak, could have a few isolated showers worked their way in across the area, so maybe a few wet roadways to start off our Wednesday, but I'm not expecting too many issues with your morning commute to begin the day. Heading through the afternoon, we're mostly dry, although areas out to our west. This is a new model run from what we had at 5 o'clock, showing a little heavier showers pushing a little farther east. So Lake Charles, Jeff Davis Parish up into Allen and getting closer to Alexandria. Better chance to see some heavier showers tomorrow, although Lafayette down towards New Iberia, we're mainly dry, just dealing with a few isolated showers throughout the day. So it's going to be more or less that overrunning activity out ahead of this warm front that's going to stay right along the Gulf Coast. So you can see pushing into tomorrow night, heavier showers up towards Alexandria to Monroe, where we stay on the drier side. Still could have a few scattered showers work their way in across Lafayette and portions right within central Acadiana, but it is going to be a little bit more on the drier side for many locations tomorrow. By Thursday, though, that's when things begin to change. Still have those showers, Alexandria down the Lake Charles, on and off, pretty steady throughout the day. And then we begin to see that low pressure system. That'll be working closer, and as it does, it brings those showers down closer to Lafayette, giving us the possibility for some more of those heavier showers to work in across the area. Pushing into the evening, the low moves right over top of us, and so even by Thursday night, still could have some decent showers working through Acadiana on the moderate to heavy side before things begin to finally clear out heading into early Friday morning. But behind it, some cooler temperatures will be moving down into Acadiana, starting off in those mid-40s, and then we'll stay pretty much in the 40s and lower 50s throughout the day on Friday, with a good bit of high clouds wrapping around this system. But it does look like things will start to dry out by Friday, with sunshine returning by the weekend. But let's take a look at those rainfall totals, because there is going to be a big disparity between where some of those heavier rain set up and what we're expecting locally. So right now, these models have come up a little bit. Earlier, they were only showing about a quarter. Now bringing us into that half to an inch range for New Iberia to Lafayette. But quickly, as you get to our north and northwest, you can see Alexandria 5.5 inches, close to 5 inches for Lake Charles. So a big bullseye from about western and northern portions of Acadiana. That includes Rapides down into Evangelines, over to Allen, Jeff Davis, and into Lake Charles. That's where we could see those higher rain mounts set up and lead to a better possibility for flooding. We'll take a look at the GFS, and it shows, again, not nearly as high a totals, but still anywhere from 3.5 down to 3 inches for Alexandria to Lake Charles, where locally it does bring our totals up a little bit to about 1.5 inches. And with the ground as saturated as it is, that could cause minor flooding and ponding on those roadways. that are still very wet from all the rain we received this past Thursday. And so with all that, flash flood watches have been issued for a good portion of Louisiana, and that does include Rapides, Vernon, Beauregard, Evangeline, over into Allen Parish, Avoyelles, and Calcasieu. Wednesday afternoon into Thursday is the possibility for 2 to 5 inches of rain is expected with isolated higher amounts, and so that will lead to a good possibility for some flash flooding as those rains set up the next couple of days. So we'll have to take a close eye on that. Cloudy and cool though tonight, northerly breeze, scattered showers late, 53 for that overnight low. Gloomy with on again, off again showers, better chance west into the north, 60 degrees for that high. Drying out as we head into Friday with sunshine returning by the weekend. And then as we go into next week, it does look like things begin to stay on the drier side. Maybe a brief chance for a few light showers by Tuesday, but temperature is pretty comfortable in the 60s.